Sunday at noon, 100 thoughts on my brain. I don't know what to do, cause they're driving me insane. I should be out having fun, but can't find no release. Because without you, girl, I feel incomplete. Yes, I do. Without you, I guess I'm much overdue for some feelings of pain. And I must admit that I'm the one to blame. I never comfort you from feelings of fear. And now that it's done, it's disturbingly clear that you're done. Yeah, you're through. I'm just not that into you anymore. You're bad news. You're tired of being one to lose all the time. All the time. It's getting easier to see exactly what's wrong with me. I can't seem to take too much seriously. If there's one thing that I walked away with from this, it's happiness ain't real, and I shared with the kiss. But you're done. Yeah, you're through. I'm just not that into you anymore. You're bad news. You're tired of being the one to lose all the time. All the time.